Hi friend, I hope that you are well. Today we will see how to make a regulator to regulate the DC voltage. So let's get started. First of all, will be need this C2073 Transistor, and our will need B100K potentiometer and 10K resistor. And I take this breadboard for put all components and some jumpering wire for connecting this component with breadboard. And now we can start this job. And first of all, I put this transistor and potentiometer on this breadboard. Now it's time to connect the potentiometer, transistor and battery. Help with male-to-male wire. And the potentiometer pin on has to be connected positive of the power of source. And pin 3 has to be connected negative of the power of source. And pin 2 has to be connected base of the transistor. And this emitter pin of this transistor has to be connected positive of the power of source. And I take this LED as a load for this project. Then this LED positive has to be connected collector of this transistor. And the negative has to be connected with negative. And I will be added the transistor base and the negative terminal by 10 kilo ohms resistor. Then I can give the proper signal on the base. And I take this battery as a power source for this project. And I put my power cable on this breadboard. And you can see our circuit is working properly. And see, it is look like pretty awesome. If you want to know about electronics, then you can subscribe our channel.